Hello everyone, this is Monty's Courses, and this is the introduction to the PLTW Cyber Security Course. In this series, I'm just going to be doing all of units 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stay focused on the labs, but if you guys would like me to do the activities too, then leave that down in the comments. But for now, I'm just going to be sticking to any section with a lab like this one here. But if it doesn't have a lab, then I'm probably going to skip past that because who needs that? But yeah, if you would like to see me do the activities, just let me know. And if enough people tell me, then I will go make videos on them too. And I will also make a playlist. All of it's going to be in order. I will place it in the description below. You can watch the videos in order so you can follow along at the right pace. So you're not just jumping around from video to video saying, which one's next? I don't know, Monty. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. This was just an introduction. I just wanted to tell you guys this is what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, have a good one.